So, good day, sir. I am Jitan Handiga about OBS ECE 381. And today I will demonstrate my activity 1. First, we need to download Arduino, then find the Arduino software, and then scroll down, then find the download and click the download. Then after download, you need to find the files. So then run, accept all the agreement, X, install, just wait for a moment. And after finish the download, open the Arduino IDE. Then after you open, select the board. First we need to connect the Arduino. Oh. So after you select the Arduino Uno, then find the examples and then basic, and then you can see the blink. Then yeah, then you can see that there are code here. Then after it verify. Then after you verify, then upload. Then you can see the Arduino it verify. And then after you verify, then upload. Then you can see the Arduino Uno. Well, it's blink in pin 13. Then after you run and see the blink, go this, and then I'm going to upload my code, and then you can see this code. Then I'm going to set up. First, there are two switches. Then the first switches we need to set up in pin 2 and 3, while the output in LED is in pin 8 and 9. You can see here in our code we have pin 2 and pin 8. Here the pin 8 and 9 are our output, while the pin 2 and 3 is the input. First, we need to verify, and then run the code. So after running the code, and also our ground. Wait, upload again. And Then in the switch 1, you can see the two LED is synchronized, while the switch 2 is blink. Two LED blink.